I'm meteorologist Ella Doresy with your CBS 46 Bulldawg forecast, and this week's forecast is really not what we're used to, right? We have a hurricane to deal with. Here's a look at its track. This is right now, which is about 2:35 on Wednesday. This is definitely going to change, but at this point, we do think that it has a high probability of almost sweeping across the South Carolina coast somewhere on Saturday morning. And because of that, the likelihood that the game is actually going to be played in Columbia is very low. Now, we don't know whether it's going to be moved to the Dome, whether it's going to be moved to Athens. We're still waiting to hear, but classes in Columbia have been closed both today and tomorrow. So the likelihood that it's played in Columbia is very low. Okay, here's a look at the radar as we head through Friday and Saturday. This is Friday at 2 p.m. Take a look what happens. The majority of the rainfall is going to be off to the east and the south of Columbia along the Carolina coast Friday through Saturday. However, again, this is going to change. So if this moves just a little bit further to the west, it's going to be a washout in Columbia. Here's a look at the rainfall totals as of right now. You can see that sharp gradient. 14 inches of rain in Charleston, only 2 in Columbia. But again, if that shifts west, Columbia would really be wet through the day on Saturday. Meanwhile, looks like North Georgia remains mostly dry. So if the game is played in Athens, it's going to be a beautiful day, but it is going to be breezy from that hurricane, almost windy, in fact, through the day. 83 degrees is going to be the high on Saturday. You'll get some clouds in the morning, which will clear through the afternoon. By the time the game kicks off, temperatures in the low 70s, still with some breezy conditions, but mostly sunny skies. And by the time the game ends, it'll be clear outside with temperatures in the mid 60s, and you're in for a cool night. So it looks like a good forecast. If the game is played in Sanford Stadium, we will keep you updated in the coming days as to where the game is going to be played and what the forecast is for that area. Have a great game day and go Dogs.